If you feel like your skincare suddenly stopped working, this video is for you. In today's video, I am sharing my go-to anti-aging skincare routine for mature skin. No filters, just real results. I think most of my life I have used a moisturizer throughout the years, but as I get older, I have had to change moisturizers or add certain things to my skincare routine. Sometimes companies just discontinue products, which really bums me out, but sometimes it's actually for the better. When I was younger, I started out with oil of Olay. I used that until I was almost 30, and for me, it just stopped working. So I switched over to Mary Kay, and I was using their Time Wise, which was so good, but they discontinued it, and then they brought it back and changed the formula. I have sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful what products I use. I have to make sure that they don't have a scent or even a strong scent. And I also have to be aware of the sunscreen that they add into a lot of products these days. I use this face wash by Bioderma. I really like the Bioderma products. I've actually been using this for quite a few years, and it's worked perfectly fine with my skin. It is Sensibio, so it is for sensitive skin. The more mature my skin is getting, the more I'm realizing I am breaking out in hormonal acne. And I tried everything to get rid of this acne, and I couldn't find anything. I did some research online, and I come across CeraVe. They have a face wash specifically for acne. I thought, I'm gonna give this a try, it can't hurt. And once I started using it, I saw instant results. It cleared up my face. I mean, I still get hormonal acne every once in a while, but nowhere near the amount that I was getting. So after I wash with the Bioderma, I wash my face with CeraVe Acne Wash. These next couple of steps are newer to me. I found this Turtur Milk Serum on Amazon, and I am truly loving this product. It's a milk skin rice toner. It's deep moisturizing, hydrating, and refreshing for your face. It is a Korean skincare, and it's less than $20 on Amazon. I use this either once a day or every other day. I usually use it at night. And then I just leave it on overnight. It gives my face a beautiful natural glow, and I have a sunspot on my skin on both sides of my jaw. And I have noticed them starting to fade after I've been using this milk serum. I also discovered this Tower 28 face spray. It says it's for angry skin, and that is supposed to also help with acne, but it also refreshes your face and helps dryness. I purchased the travel size just to try it out. This is gonna last me for a while. I believe it's only $12 for the travel size. But in the description of this spray, it also says that it's perfect for when you go on flights. After you get off of a flight, your face just feels dry from that oxygen that they're pumping into the plane. This refreshes your face after a flight too. I've been using this eye cream for quite a few years, and I really like it. This one is again by Bioderma. It works really well. It helps my eyes feel smooth and soft, and I just really like this product. It works, so I've stuck with it. For daytime moisturizer, I'm using Dime Beauty Moisturizer. It works really well. I like the results. It helps with dryness and wrinkles. It does not have an odor or a perfume smell. It's lightweight, and I let this sit on my face and sink in for a few minutes before I put my makeup on. For a nighttime moisturizer, I stuck with Dime Beauty, and I use their nighttime moisturizer. I love it. It's great, just like their daytime. It's gentle and hydrating, and it helps to repair your skin and reduce fine lines while you're sleeping. When I want to remove my makeup, I use Bioderma. It does the job. My skin loves Bioderma products. I use a round cotton pad, and I purchased a pack of those at Walmart. It takes off my makeup. It does what it's supposed to do. It leaves my skin feeling nice and smooth, and I've used this product for years. I have used a lot of different face masks through the years, but the one that I truly love and I have stuck with is the Honey Potion face mask. I just recently purchased a new container of this, and they have switched the formula a little bit. I haven't used the new formula yet, but I'm thinking it's pretty much the same as the other. They just added a few more things. I loved the old formula, so I'm sure I'm gonna love the new one too. And this, well, it goes on like honey. When you put it on, it's yellow, and as you're rubbing it onto your face, it turns white. You leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I go 15. And it has a slight warming effect on your face. It feels so good. It leaves my skin soft and smooth, and I just absolutely love how this product makes my skin look and feel. I use that once a week for lips. Now, since I've been in my 30s, I started breaking out in cold sores quite easily. My lips would get really super dry, they would crack, and I would get cold sores. So I started doing some studying and trying to figure out what I can do differently to make my lips where they weren't so dry and to have those cold sores stop. Man, do those hurt. I discovered lysine and Herpecin L. I first put on the Herpecin every single night, and then over the top I put lysine, and I go to sleep with those on my lips. Ever since, I have been using this combination of lip treatments. I have not, knock on wood, had a cold sore. My lips still get a little bit dry in the winter, and if I see that, even during the day, I will put on the Herpecin L. I have had great results with these. I highly recommend them if you are suffering from super dry lips or cold sores. If I get the feeling that I am getting a cold sore, I use a cold sore treatment, but between the two lip treatments, I really don't have much of a problem with cold sores anymore. I purchased those through Walmart. Okay, I just find this easier if I bring you right into my bathroom. So I'm gonna start digging things out of the shower. For my body wash, I change this one every single month. So every first of the month, I'll switch out for a new body soap. I have a little bit of a stock of Bath & Body shower gels, and I know what scents I love the best, so those are the ones that I keep purchasing if I run out. I find that one of their bottles will last me 2 months. So half of the bottle will be gone after 1 month, and I know I can always come back around and use the rest of it another month. Right now, I am using the Frosted Coconut Snowball. In the fall, I use their fall scents. In the winter, I use winter scents. I just really love their product. If for whatever reason I am not using the Bath & Body wash, I like the Dove body wash. It makes your skin so soft, and they have some really good scents. Speaking of Dove, I love their body scrub. They have quite a few throughout the year of different scents. They have lemon and I don't know, tons of stuff. Cherry. This one my sister got me. It's a peppermint bark by Dove, and it has just a little bit of a grain in it, but it makes your skin so soft and silky and smooth. Oh my goodness, I highly recommend this body scrub by Dove. And you could change it out seasonally because they come up with so many different scents throughout the year. I like to use this about every other day. My loofah that I use is a long-handled loofah, so I can easily reach my back. I purchased this on Amazon. I've actually purchased a few of them. Once it starts going bad, I love it so much, I just go ahead and purchase the same thing all over again. I think it comes with 2 other loofahs that you can hold in your hand, but those I don't even use because I like the one with the long handle. I have a bad back, so if I am bent over scrubbing my feet, I just hurt a lot more. And I found this long-handled scrubber online. I wish I'd have found this sooner. This thing is amazing. It's angled perfectly to get around your ankle areas. It gets between the toes. It has just enough stiffness that it scrubs your feet really well. And it has a pumice stone on the other side of it. So if you flip it over, you can just rub your heel, rub your foot all over the pumice stone. I believe it's only like $25. So I mean, you can't beat it. It's great. This lotion, actually my boys discovered this one. I started using Aveeno and fell in love with it. They started using Aveeno and liked it so much. They were like, this is great, but we need something a little more for dry hands. And I was like, okay. So they found this Skin Relief by Aveeno, and man, is it good. We use it all the time. I even have some sitting on my sink in the kitchen so I can put it on my hands after I do the dishes. But it's great on arms, elbows, hands, feet, legs, wherever you want to put lotion. It's great. I don't even believe it has a scent, so you don't have to worry about it overpowering any perfumes that you're wearing. It works amazing, and we've just stuck with this product for quite a few months. This discovery is a little newer to me, and I am so very glad I found it. It is a cuticle oil. The ends of my fingers and my thumb were getting so dry. My thumbs kept splitting on the edges, and man, does that hurt. So I was like, what can I do differently? If the lotion was doing good, but not good enough. So I jumped online and I did some research, and I come across this cuticle oil. It's on Amazon. I believe it's like around $10. It has over 100,000 reviews, and it is a milk and honey cuticle oil. I have started using this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. I put it on my cuticles, rub it in all over my nails. Oh, by the way, my nails were also getting dry. I could see them starting to want to split, and the tops of my nails started peeling. So I put it all over my nails. I decided to go further with it. I put it all over the ends of my fingers, my thumb, rubbed it into my hands, rubbed it up my arms. It's such a good product, and it smells really good. It's not strong or overpowering. It just has a very slight, wonderful, professional smell. It smells like you just went into a nail salon and got your nails done. The first time I used it, I already saw a difference in my nails. My nails are getting stronger. They're not peeling on the top like they were, and the dryness around my fingers is getting less and less. So those are the products that I've been using, that I have used for either years or even just recently. Every single one of them, I have seen results, and I am loving the results. I have everything linked below in the description so you can find it very easily. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your skin, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Hey, here are 2 more videos you can watch next. Thank you for all of your amazing support. You are not only beautiful, you are wonderful.